Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy F15. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, keyboard settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. Type Samsung keyboard in the search bar. A list of options will appear. Don't worry about options related to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You're looking specifically for the one labeled Samsung keyboard. Tap on that option to go into the keyboard settings menu. Note, depending on your phone model and software version, this might also appear under General Management or Language and Input. Step 4. Once you're in the Samsung keyboard settings, scroll until you find the Theme option. Tap on it, and you'll see a preview of the different themes available. Samsung typically offers several pre-installed themes such as Light Solid, Light Dark, Solid Dark. Each theme changes the keyboard's background and key appearance, helping you match your keyboard to your overall phone theme or personal style. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select your favorite theme. Tap on one of the themes, and it will be applied automatically. You don't need to restart your phone or confirm anything extra. Just exit the settings, and your new keyboard theme is ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.